Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for Aries, and this reading is for the mid-month of August. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your feelings towards your person. Aries, your feelings towards your person. And your person feelings towards you. Okay. So first, let's see your feelings towards your person. 10 of Cups, Page of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles. Lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. And your person feelings towards you. The Emperor, 6 of Swords, 4 of Wands, Ace of Wands. Wow. Some communication is going between both of you. Page of Pentacles. New person want to offer stability. I think you want to offer stability to this connection. Aries, you want to work with your person to take this relationship to next level. You both could be colleagues also, and you want this happiness with your person, Aries. So your person is also feeling the same because 4 of Wands, you both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. I think your person also want this happiness with you. And Ace of Wands, new beginning. Yes, your person also want new beginning with you. The Emperor, your person right now in Emperor mode, they are very honest. 6 of Swords, this could be long distance relationship. Some communication is going to be happen between both of you. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. Seven of Pentacles, Lord of Earth energy. 4 of Swords. Yes, I think some waiting is going between both of you. One person invests in this connection more than the other person, and one person is still thinking about the connection but not taking any action. That's why waiting is going. You both want the same thing, but the waiting. I think you do. I think one has to take action towards the other person, then it will automatically pick up. But you both don't take any action, I'm saying, because that's where the mutual energy is. 7 of Pentacles, waiting, and 4 of Swords is also not taking action. So let's see some more information about this connection. Fighting. I think you both have some fightings with each other, some issues, some misunderstandings, clinging to the past. 5 of Cups. For some there is separation due to fighting, but want reconciliation with each other, but not taking action. Receptivity, Queen of Cups. Yes, you both have emotions for each other, but not expressing. You are holding your emotions back, you both. Let's see some more information. Traveling, 8 of Wands. Yes, but after some time, definitely the energy between both of you will pick up. 8 of Wands is communication. Definitely some communication will be open up between both of you. Conditioning, Devil. Yes, one person is very dominating in this connection, and one person could be Capricorn also. You both are obsessed with each other also. Participation, 4 of Wands. Yes, finally there could be reconciliation. 4 of Wands, 2 times 4 of Wands. Yes, you both want reconciliation with each other, but first one person should have to take first step. So it's you or it's your person, depending upon your situation. But you both have wanting same thing, but waiting is going between both of you. The mutual energy, 7 of Pentacles and 4 of Swords. Thinking, but one person is waiting for the other person. So Aries, you want the same thing, your person also want the same thing, reconciliation, those who are in separation. So definitely you, in the end of month, August month ending, there will be a communication between both of you. Then when you both will communicate, then the connection is going to be next level, because then Queen of Cups and 4 of Wands, definitely there will be reconciliation. So one should have to take first step. So this is the reading for you, Aries. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.